Are you looking for the top 5 best electric bikes in 2026? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down 5 powerful electric bikes that deliver great speed, range, and performance. To make things easier, we've included a comparison chart so you can quickly compare speed, range, motor power, and key features side by side. Whether you need a bike for commuting, adventure, or weekend fun, we've selected some of the best feature-packed models available today. Stay tuned till the end to find the perfect electric bike for your needs. At number 1, the 1500-watt electric bike with 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery is built for riders who want speed and reliability on all terrains. This powerful electric mountain bike features a strong 1500-watt motor that can deliver high-speed performance and handle steep hills with ease. The 26-inch 4.0 fat tires provide excellent grip and stability, making it perfect for snow, sand, or rough trails. It also includes front suspension, disc brakes, and a durable frame designed for off-road adventures. With its removable battery and long riding range, this bike is ideal for both daily commuting and outdoor riding. At number 2, we have the Cybervelo Strong Power e-bike EK9, a monster electric bike designed for serious riders. This model features an ultra-powerful 5,000-watt motor and a massive 40-amp-hour battery that can deliver an impressive riding range of up to 100 miles on a single charge. Its 26 by 4.0-inch fat tires provide outstanding traction and control across rough terrain. Built for extreme performance, this bike is perfect for off-road riders who want speed, endurance, and long-distance capability. If power and range are your top priorities, this bike stands out as a strong contender. Coming in at number 3, the Cybervelo Step-Thru electric bike EK12 offers comfort, style, and convenience for everyday riders. This bike features a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour removable battery that ensures reliable performance and extended riding time. The Step-Thru frame design makes it easier to mount and dismount, especially for city commuting. It also comes equipped with 20-inch fat tires and a Shimano 7-speed gear system, allowing smooth transitions between different speeds and terrains. This bike is an excellent choice for commuters and casual riders who value comfort and ease of use. At number 4, the Peak 850-watt foldable fat tire electric bike is designed for riders who need portability without sacrificing power. This foldable electric bike features an 850-watt peak motor and a 36-volt 13-amp-hour removable battery that provides consistent performance for city travel and short adventures. Its compact folding design allows you to store it easily in small spaces, making it perfect for apartment living or travel. The 20-inch fat tires provide stability and comfort, while the lightweight frame ensures easy handling. If you want a practical and portable electric bike, this model is a great option. Finally, at number 5, we have the fifth wheel AB17 electric bike, a well-balanced electric bike built for smooth daily rides. This model features a 700-watt peak motor that can reach speeds of up to 23 miles per hour, making it perfect for urban commuting. It includes a clear color LCD display that shows speed, battery level, and riding data in real time. The front suspension system helps absorb shocks from rough roads, providing a more comfortable riding experience. With its sleek design and dependable performance, this electric bike is an excellent choice for beginners and daily riders. The 1500-watt fat tire e-bike offers strong power with a 48-volt 15-amp-hour battery and speeds up to around 30 to 34 miles per hour, making it great for off-road and daily rides. The Cybervelo EK9 dominates with a massive 5,000-watt motor and a huge 40-amp-hour battery, delivering extreme power and long-range performance. The Cybervelo EK12 is more commuter-friendly with a step-through design and balanced 48-volt 20-amp-hour battery. The 850-watt foldable e-bike focuses on portability and convenience, ideal for city use but with less power. Finally, the fifth-wheel AB17 provides a mid-range 700-watt peak motor with smooth riding and practical features, making it a solid everyday option. So, that was our list of the top 5 best electric bikes in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect electric bike for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Also, check the description below for product links and special offers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.